All right, this is to help with number 5 from the first factoring assignment. And another one of these ACT practice questions, so real good. And kind of the tempting part to me on this one is to think that it's going to be $50 because you have 30% and then 20 more percent. So you get like 50% discount, meaning you only pay half or $50. But as we'll see, that's actually not how percentage works because you have to take the 30% off first and then take off 20% of that, right? So we're going to do it two steps in a row. So if I do 30% off of 100, there's a couple ways to do it. One is you can take 30% of 100, which is $30, and that's the actual discount. So to figure out how much they'd have to pay after that discount, you have to subtract to get $70, right? And the easier way to me is if you get a 30% discount, then that means you have to pay 70%. So if you do like 100 minus 30%, what we actually have to pay is 70%. And so we have $70. Okay, that's after the first discount of 30%. Now to do the second discount of 20%, we have to do 20% off of 70. Okay, and that's why it's not $50 off because now when we do 20%, we don't do 20% of the 100, we do 20% of the 70. Okay, so again, you can do it either way, but to me, basically, if I get a 20% discount at this point, that means I have to pay 80% of the 70. Okay, 20% discount means I pay 80%. So I'm going to just do 70 times 80% to figure out what I got to pay, and that gets us the $56 or answer choice C. It's a real good question. It's interesting how percentages work, but it's not this one. It is $56 after these two discounts. All right, hope that helps.